In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your computer or in your web browser. Once you're inside Canva, you can either create a brand new design or open a project you've already been working on. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you're starting from scratch or just adding animation to something that already exists. If you're creating a new design, choose the format that fits your project, like a presentation, social media post, or video canvas. If you already have a design ready, simply open it and go to the page where your image is located. Next, click on the image you want to animate. Make sure the image itself is selected, not just the page background or another element nearby. You'll usually know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around it. This step is important because Canva applies the animation settings to the selected element, so if the wrong item is highlighted, the effect will be added in the wrong place. Once your image is selected, look for the animation option in the toolbar. Click it to open the available animation styles. Canva typically offers a variety of effects, and each one can create a different visual mood. Some animations are subtle and professional, while others are more energetic and attention-grabbing. Take a moment to click through the different animation options and preview how each one looks on your image. This is helpful because the same effect can feel very different depending on the image and the overall style of your design. After choosing the animation that works best, move on to editing the speed. Adjusting the speed lets you control how quickly or slowly the animation plays. A slower speed can make the movement feel smoother and more elegant, while a faster speed can make it feel more dynamic and noticeable. Try to match the speed to the purpose of your design. For example, if you want a calm, polished look, slower settings often work better. If you're creating something bold or promotional, a quicker motion may be more effective. As you make changes, preview the animation to see how everything works together. This helps you catch anything that feels too